So the human life cycle starts with the baby stage. When babies are born, they can't do anything for themselves. Up until they are 6 months old, babies don't eat normal food, they only drink milk. It isn't like the milk you might put on your cereal. It has all the things a baby needs to grow properly. Babies also need lots of sleep. They don't usually sleep all the way through the night, but they will often sleep during the day as well. And babies can't talk, so when something is wrong, they will let people know by crying. So then we move on to the toddler. Just like the name suggests, the toddler stage is when a child is starting to toddle, which means wobbly walking. The toddler stages are from the ages of 1 to 3. As well as learning to walk, toddlers go through lots of other changes, such as their teeth start to grow, they start learning to talk, toddlers start learning to eat lots of food and to feed themselves. Toddlers still can't do many things for themselves and need lots of help from their grown-ups. Can you think of any times when you were a toddler? What you used to do? What couldn't you do?